Morning class 5. Welcome to computer class. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. So this is our first video for class 5. Today we read our chapter number 1, Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system. So first of all we have to know what is an operating system. An operating system is a software that manages the computer hardware and software resources. So all the work is done in your PC is operated by an operating system. Without operating system, your system is not going to be run. So the operating system is an essential part of the computer system. Application programs usually require an operating system. First of all, the two question is arriving. What is an application program and why the operating system is important for application program? So application program means when we use the other software, for example Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, all the things which we use in our PC is an application program. And why operating system is important for application program? Because no application is going to run without the operating system. Okay, operating system is the essential for the all the application programs in your PC. Now some features of Windows 10 is enhance the start menu. Actually the start menu is totally redesigned for the Windows 10 because it's a very latest version of Windows which we have to use in our PC. So this is the start menu is very enhancedly designed for the Windows 10. I am gonna show you a picture of start menu. So what you see in your screen, this is the start menu which is very redesigned for you. There is a two panes on this start menu, this one and this one. In also in a Windows 7 which we see, there is also the two panes, but the first pane is look like this, but the second pane is not like this. In Windows 10, in second pane we have the tiles, the live tiles. We can customize, resize and reorganize these tiles. Okay, but in Windows 7 it can't be possible for everyone. Okay, more user friendly. Now the Windows 10 is more user friendly for the users. If it's not user friendly, so no one gonna use this. So this is the more or the most important goal for the Windows 10 or the Windows Corporation to make his operating system more user friendly. User friendly means it's easy to use and it's no difficulty to use this type of softwares for us. Curtain is a very new feature which introduced with the operating system. Actually it is the first time where the Curtain is used in an operating system or in a PC. It's work like an assistant for us. Actually Curtain is work like an assistant for us. We can our voice can control our PC for sending a mail, for setting an alarm, for just like you using in your phone. Actually nowadays we using so many things for the which controlled by our voice. So Curtain is also a system which introduced in our PC who control our PC with our voice. Windows Snap Assist. This feature lets us work on the multiple windows. Actually we can use the multiple window with these features. Okay, work from one window to the another window. It's very easy with this feature. The new internet browser. With the all the operating system of Microsoft, we have a older version of the browser. How many latest version is come, but we have the older version. But in the Windows 10 we have a very latest browser known as the Microsoft Edge. But in an older version up to Windows 8 we already have the older version which is known as Internet Explorer. Now we move forward to this chapter. Now we see some important things about this chapter. The most important, we have to know icons. The tiles which you see on your screen, these are known as the icons. The picture, the small picture, every small picture represent a program. For example, this logo is represent a browser known as Google Chrome. This is a representative of a browser. It's also known as an icon. Every icon, for example, this one represent the UC browser, This one represent a software, this one represent my computer. Actually it give the all details about my PC. How can we see the all detail of my PC? Simply right click on this icon and go in a property option. Now we see all the details of my PC very easily. So these every small picture on the screen is known as icon and it represent a program. Okay, now we move forward. The taskbar, this is the taskbar which we usually have in every window. In every window we have the taskbar. हर एक विंडो में हमको taskbar जरूर मिलता है. Taskbar also show the all the work which we currently going to be done. जो भी वर्क चल रहा होता है वो taskbar पे दिखाई देता है. For example these two work is currently gonna done. So ये दोनों वर्क अभी दिख रहा है. ठीक है, अगर ये दोनों वर्क नहीं हो रहा था तो कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई देता. अगर ये दोनों वर्क नहीं होते तो बिल्कुल इस तरह के दिखाई देते. ये कुछ स्टार्ट मेन्यू आइकन्स हैं जो यहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं. ये वर्क अभी हो नहीं रहा. अब मैं दिखाता हूँ इनमें से किसी एक को वर्क करके. जैसे मैं पेंट को वर्क करके दिखाता हूँ. मैंने पेंट पे क्लिक किया एंड नाउ सी द पेंट is going to be started. So it is also covered with a box like this one. Okay, so this is the way how we use this thing. Now how can we change the picture of the desktop background? How can we change the desktop background? So for changing the desktop background, you simply go in a blank area of the desktop, right click from your mouse and go in personalized option. Here there is so many options for changing the desktop background. We can choose any one of them. I am choosing this one and now okay, it is the same one. I am choosing this one and now you see your desktop background is going to be changed. Okay, so this is the way how can we change the desktop background. Now the color, as you see on your screen, we have a transparent this time. But if I want to change the color of my window, then simply go to the personalize option. One more time I'm going to go in a blank area, click right mouse button, go in a personalize option, go in color option. So there is so many color which also provide here. If you want to choose anyone, I will not choose this one. Okay, I'm choosing this one and then save change. You have to click on save change if you want this one, or if you want to change or doing something for you. Look, this is the green color. Now see the upper side, it's must be green. If you want to improve the green color, then go to the right. If you want to decrease the green color, go to the left. This is the way how can we adjust the color and also select the color. I am choosing the blue color once again because I like this color. Okay, now save change. Click on save change. Now the color is changed. So this is the way how can we change the color, how can we change the desktop background. This all the things. Now the last topic is how can we use two and more than two windows in a same screen. एक screen पे हम लोग एक से ज़्यादा windows कैसे देख पाएंगे. So for doing this type of thing, go in a taskbar area. Go in your taskbar area. Simply click the right mouse button and choose the. So there is a no window is open. So this one feature is not open. So first of all you have to open some windows. So I am opening two windows. For example, this one is going to be started and this one I am started this one also. So I am having two windows. Now going to the here right one more time, right mouse button. Now you see this option is appears right now. Now I am clicking on it. Look, we have the two windows together in my screen. Okay, so this is the way how can we see two or more than two windows at the same time. Okay, now the last topic, the live tiles. Actually I am using this time the Windows 8 in my PC. So for the live tiles I am going to this area, the start menu button, and look, there is the live tiles. Every box is represent a program is known as the tiles, and this is the live tiles. How it is a live tiles? Because every box is represent a program. For example, this one representing the VLC players, this one is representing the MS Word, this one the UC browser. So I am going to open one of them. I am using the one processor. Now the word processor is on with the help of live tiles. How can we change the position? Simply, if you want to change the position, simply click the live tiles and go to the area where you want. For example, I want to add this in this group. This is the way to change the position of the tiles. Okay. Now resizing of tiles, it's very easy. Simply right click on the blank area. Simply right click on the blank area and choose all apps. Now you see we have the all apps program from here, and also the sizes also decrease from the here. So this is the way we can use the Windows 10 or the other Windows platform which we are using in our daily life. And I hope you all understand what I want to teach you in this chapter. Thank you for